these folks in the audience feel like there's a health hazard and they call that number, what specifically happens?
So if they have a specific, they're concerned about about having been exposed. So then they can speak to our human health toxicologist, Dr. Barbara Brooks, to discuss symptoms they might be having, et cetera. And she is also willing to speak with their doctor. Also, if they have laboratory test results, she can also discuss those with doctor, et cetera.
Is anyone actually sent to site? Is anyone from the department actually sent to sites to measure, or there's some piece of testimony where folks have had lab tests done on their windows. Is anyone from the Department of Health actually sent to that site where the exposure might have happened?
We don't go to the site for the purpose of doing environmental testing. We rely on the enforcement branch at the Department of Agriculture to do that. We do look at those data when they are available. We currently have, actually another bill that's present is to restore our epidemiology specialist, and that position is actually a person who goes out and works with directly with community members about environmental exposures. So we don't have that capacity even on the health front to go visit someone directly, but we hope to restore that.
Is the Clean Air Branch a part of the Department of Health?
Yes, it is.
Is the Clean Air Branch appropriate in this instance to measure the air quality?
To date, the Clean Air Branch is not measuring hazardous air pollutants. They do not currently measure air, pesticides in air. The last study.
The Clean Air Branch doesn't measure what's in the air.
That hazardous air pollutants. So they're looking for they don't have a program to measure hazardous chemicals in the air. They measure, and actually I'm not an expert on the Clean Air Branch, but they do not have a program where they're measuring pesticides in air. They measure other hazardous things like sulfur dioxide, et cetera. So excuse me if I misspoke there.
Okay. I guess just to a layperson, it seems like there's a little gap in Clean Air Branch's work.
In terms of pesticide monitoring in general, the state of Hawaii does not do regular air monitoring, water monitoring, except for drinking water supplies.
Okay, thank you.